Alright, so this is what I've been doing today. Bought a new car, so I'm tearing stuff apart. Basically, everything that was audio in the Toyota is going into the new car, including the DD. We got everything out pretty much to swap. I'm not gonna swap for a couple days. I need to clean the new car, but this is pretty much what I've been doing today. So everyone stay tuned for a new car build up. I'm not gonna say what it is because I'm a douchebag. Just wait until I make a log. Alright, that's it. See you guys.